And now we have a DC-DC converter, a relay 12 volt, a push button, and a parallel bus bar. I have connected with the green wire and then the negative in one terminal. Let me zoom in so that you can see the input and output terminals of the DC-DC converter. This is a DC out plus, this is minus, and now that is into the DC-DC converter that is coming from the battery pack, which is 7S12P, and now you have a relay. So I have used the Lux, which I call here like this is in local language. Now I have connected the common and the negative together, and you can see the positive is connected, and then you have I have left the normally closed terminal. So let me explain you the connections here. That normally closed wire, which is the green, so I took it and I took it to the parallel bus bar, and then I gave red and white wire of the push button to that bus bar. And the positive of the LED is also given to normally closed one, normally open terminal, which was already connected, and the negative of the LED is connected to the ground of the relay, and that is connected to the ground of the DC-DC converter. The push button